Are you ready to get your barcode on? Well, buckle up because we're about to embark on a wild ride of barcode creation in Excel. We're going to turn boring old numbers and letters into exciting barcodes that will make any scanner drool. First things first, make sure that the column containing your code is formatted as text, because we don't want any zeros getting left behind. Go to Number tab and change General Format to Text. Now you don't leave any zeros behind. Next we're going to add some brackets to the code in a very special way. It's like adding a bow to a present, but instead of making it look pretty, it makes the barcode scanner happy. Here's how it's done. Click into the cell where you want the barcode to appear and type in the equal sign, a quotation mark, an opening bracket, and another quotation mark. Then add an ampersand, and the coordinates of the cell that contains the code we're converting. Finally add another ampersand and closing brackets and quotation marks, and hit enter. Voila! You now have a barcode background. Copy the function to the rest of the rows, using the bottom right corner. Now all that's left to do is to change the font in the column barcode to ID Automation HC38M, and you'll have yourself a barcode in no time. But wait, there's more. This function is dynamic, which means that any changes in the source code will be reflected in the barcode. Let's see how it works. If we change code number in column code, the data in column barcode will refresh automatically, and a new barcode will be generated. But before you go on and start creating barcodes left and right, make sure you have the font that converts simple codes into barcodes installed on your computer. Check the font list first, and if you can't find it, don't worry. You can download needed ID Automation HC38M font for free in the link below in the video description.